dirty rugget. Stable rugs that are fairly manky. In it goes. And I'm going to do that on the same setting, which is bulky sheets, and it will take an hour and 22 minutes. And this one is dry enough to just hang, and it'll be dry by the morning because it's spun well.